today with Kristie from Lenovo. Kristie, thank you for coming in and talking to our team today. One of the things you brought up is how much Lenovo plays in Teams Windows-based meeting room solutions today. You guys are the number one solution provider for that. Tell us about what solutions you guys have, from huddle spaces to large spaces, and what customers can expect from you guys.
Thank you. Thanks, Dave. And it's a pleasure to be here. And we are the number one Teams room solution for Windows in the conference space. And that goes from everything from the large integrated rooms using our core compute and our controller, a U5, a U7, 16 gig and 32 gig. It really future-proofs you into the conference space, helps people with all the AI that Microsoft Teams and Zoom is rolling out. So that's a great integrated solution. And then we use that same core for some of our turnkey solutions. So we've got everything from small rooms with our compute that's built into our bar. It's a Windows-based all-in-one bar, to our integrated rooms, whether it's with Huddle, which we sell Huddle. It's Lenovo SKU for Huddle, small, medium, and large rooms, for a lot of the AI that's happening in the rooms, to our Bar 180 kit, which is for a medium room solution that gives you that 180-degree horizontal field of view. All of that comes with Premier support. All of these are turnkey solutions, easy to install or integrate. We also have one more thing I should mention.
Sure.
Especially with the sun lighting of Microsoft Surface Hub. We also offer the D10 SKU, which is set up with Lenovo SKUs. So you can now come to Lenovo and purchase the D10 SKUs for those interactive boards and panels, both actually Android and Windows based.
That's great. So really everything you need, from the compute to the display to the camera in the room, Lenovo has a offering for you. And you also have install SKUs that are global. So if you have a small office to an enterprise level organization that you need to kind of have consistency in room solutions, Lenovo is definitely something you should be looking at. So contact us today if you have questions about that. For more information, we're happy to provide you guys a quote. And thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you, David.
Okay.